Sample surveys, including opinion polls. Comment on the following questions from a questionnaire. If necessary, suggest a better way of asking the question. What is your favourite colour? Blue, red, green, black, white. How much do you spend on computer games? An awful lot, a lot, not much, nothing. The government does not spend enough on overseas aid. Do you agree? So question 1, what is your favourite colour? Blue, red, green, black, white. The list given does not cover all possible answers. By including one further tick box called Other, we cover all possibilities. So for example, if a person's favourite colour was pink, there would be no box for them to pick at the moment. But if we included Other, then they could tick that box. Part 2. How much do you spend on computer games? An awful lot, a lot, not much, nothing. The possible answers are too vague and may mean different things to different people. An improved question might be, on average, how much do you spend per month on computer games? €100 or more? €50 to €100? €10 to €50? Or €0 to €10? So no matter what you spend per month on computer games, you can tick one of these boxes. So for example, if you spend €7, you can tick this box. If you spend €99, you can tick this box. If you spend €300, you can tick this box. One problem with this though is if you, for example, were to spend €50, would you tick this box or would you tick this box? So an even better way to write this question might be €0 to €10, €11 to €50, €51 to €100, €101 or more. Also, how much do you spend on computer games? Someone might interpret that to actually mean how much time do you spend on computer games. So I think it would also be important to write in how much money do you spend on computer games. Part 3. The government does not spend enough on overseas aid. Do you agree? This is a leading question, as it is clear that the question is looking for the respondent to agree. A better wording would be, in your opinion, the amount the money spends on overseas aid is too much, just right, not enough.